Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make wine color nail polish. First, let's gather our essential materials. You will need a bottle of clear nail polish, a dark red or deep purple eyeshadow, and a small tool for mixing, like a toothpick or a small spatula. It is also important to ensure your workspace is clean and well ventilated. Finally, prepare a small, clean container where you will mix your custom shade. Now, let's create that beautiful wine shade. Begin by carefully scraping a small amount of your chosen dark red or purple eyeshadow into your mixing container. For a rich, deep color, start with approximately 1/4 of a teaspoon of pigment. Remember, you can always add more eyeshadow gradually to deepen the wine hue until you achieve your perfect desired intensity. This step allows for complete customization. Next, it is time to combine your pigment with the clear polish. Carefully pour a small amount of clear nail polish into the container with your eyeshadow pigment. Using your mixing tool, stir the mixture thoroughly until the eyeshadow is completely dissolved and the consistency is smooth. Continue to add more clear polish slowly, mixing well after each addition, until you reach your preferred consistency and opacity for the perfect wine color. Finally, let's prepare your new polish for use and application. Carefully transfer your custom wine nail polish into a clean, empty nail polish bottle. Before each use, remember to gently shake the bottle to ensure the color is evenly distributed throughout. For a vibrant, long-lasting wine-colored manicure, apply 2 thin coats to your nails, allowing each coat to dry completely. Enjoy your unique, homemade shade.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.